right. I think for me, it ticks every single box that we need and require as humans. I think the pace that the bush and easy, hard living, I guess, which is a bit of a catch-22, is our pace as a species. I don't think we're meant to live in big, busy, noisy, UV lights in your face. I don't think we're built like that, as much as we like to think that we are. Sustainability, for me, is about treading easy on the planet. I think full sustainability is near on impossible as far as financial, but I think it can come pretty close. And I think there's something really organic about using your body and creating your food and consuming your food and using your leftovers to fertilise your next food. I think there's something about the chain of events that happens, and that for me is what makes me happy.